Already the title is the most dreadful for the money users is a Bitcoin. However, you can add list Bitcoin. Well, that might be because you think Bitcoin might be a bit expensive to own, and I can even blame you. That's here when I just searching here. Bitcoin is $17,000 per month. You have to around $64,000 per Bitcoin. But today's video is not going in discussions, is a history Bitcoin of cryptocurrencies. So this is very helpful I think, and rather than teachings how to get the Bitcoin, 3 Bitcoin faucet sites for 3 days. These are some of the best rated playing faucet sites where you can clicking and button crypto by just clicking. Benefits, earning and withdrawal methods of you just throw this faucet size so you can out a really great options for you. Now I am going to assume that you thought many of you Bitcoin of cryptocurrencies. Yes, might not what a faucet is. Cryptocurrencies forces applications websites to distribute small amounts of cryptocurrencies so as completed basic tasks. The first little word forces is in the name warning that you crypto rewards. You will receive a small, just like small drops of water from a leak faucets. The task can be sometimes as you want, just needing clicking button of your sites and the website and stuff like that. This is why so many people just love it and always search for the highest paying sites. We say make sure you have attention to the end as I will show you, and could happen if you use the three. Let me just potentials how this is a lot of high around how easy it is becoming earning hundreds of dollar per day with, but that not exactly true. They are really exams before going into my three recommended options if you want to do that properly. Here's one site called btc.top. On the landing page we see the size claim pay for watching the website, and BTC is the oldest faucet sites and just making more popular ones. There are 75,000 activities user in over 1 million impressions today alone. How this is one works in that advertise Bitcoin users offering little bits cryptocurrencies a payment each website as user visits. Currently the rate is 2 Satoshi. 100 Satoshi is about 1 cent, and other end able to withdraw on real cash of 500 Satoshi. Another major source of earning and at BTC is a valid program. Here you would be able to 10% from all refreshment earning. You can also scroll down. There are withdrawn many process from the platform recently. Another one of the these sites called bitcoiner.com. This site claims that you can earn up to $1,100 Satoshi every 5 minutes. All you have to do enter your Bitcoin address, solve captcha and click on that claim Bitcoin button below. You are also allowed claim to 120 times to every 24 hours. You also allowed to claim, and this is very important for subscribe my channel and hit up that. Another is GoBits. There are another on these sites you can make up to 200 Satoshi every 15 minutes, and just like Bitcoiner all you would have to do enter Bitcoin addresses and hit get rewarded. It's important note that uses automated software and VP is not allowed on GoBits though IO, and get instance daily feesbits.io, and this is very instant payments to your BTC addresses are more as on reach just 15 Satoshi. Plus you can also refer a friend in earn 10% referrals earning from forever. So you have seen just how similar all of the sites that another. However, I see a lot of potential in three that I want to uses 3 Bitcoin faucet sites for 3 days and see what's happened. Purchase is called Contemply. Earn free Bitcoin. That's officially Cointemply is a crypto faucet site where you can earn reward and publish and hosting your activity with over $12 million paid current contemplated platforms trusted by 3 million users. The further blows generally is site contemplated has trustplate to score 5.7 stars up out of possible 5. There are a lot of different way to earn money on the platform which you can search. Much better offering than earlier mentions you. Contemplate you can earn crypto, the flying games, online watching videos, shopping and many more. And signing up the contemporary, and also not just limited to Bitcoin or Satoshi alone. Here you can also earn Dogecoin, LTC, and Dash coins. Now, what I think might be a real deal breaker for Contemporary right here. Contemporary actually offers service options to its users, which every participant could earn by $1 to $5. How great is it? You would be able to earn the crypto equivalent amount of this shifts your honest opinion about your product services further helps economy. And some of the really active phases contemplated included the loyalty bonus, which could be cool. It was way 100% zero points from the complications and interest earning of 5% and 25% of your referrals versus claims. If this is something you would be interested in, simply navigate of the pages. At the top right of the pages, my second pick of the best Bitcoin process is called Free Cash. Just like the sound of name, freecash.com is amazing crypto process and many more platform you can get interacting the app's website service and many more. Right from the landing page, you can see that quite of just going down place you can make live views, play games, watch and install applications and sign up to website for pretty amount of crypto. Over here on the right side of the page you can see some live speed Argentina Croatia semi-final and that World Cup who are surprising that game. Free Cash has been rated perfect 5 stars trust provider from 24,000 reviews. Like and I scrolling down we see the cash outs on your earning from Free Cash is just 50 cents and you can earn $1 every 5 to 10 minutes by completing offer. One much loved further Free Cash many Bitcoins possess like its capability to make cash out directly through PayPal. Let's scroll back to the top of quick earning in this. Make your Windows software on your devices on iOS and Android phone to earn is Free Cash. Here's just some games applications being offered you download along the remembrance. You can also through the offering survey partners to earn even more. My third pocket best Bitcoin process is called More Money. If you are looking for quick way to earn crypto lotteries from easy tokens of just more general, then you should check out More Money. That it's a database of 1 million. More Money has paid out over 8 Bitcoin till date. At today's rate, $17,000, 8 Bitcoin is equivalent to the $136,000. And as the $64,000 prices of Bitcoin, it would be worth 512,000. So what are you watching for? More money, you can up $500 Bitcoin every 60 minutes, 25% from your referral claims. If any of them looks good to you, simply click on the sign up button and top of the right of the screen, fill your record details and their username, email address, password, gender and country. Read and agree to avoid their terms of services and hit register now.